So hi guys, we are here at the airport right now. We are waiting for our flight going to Krakow in Poland for the Supra experience. And so while waiting for the flight, let's try to disclose our top 10 hot picks prior to meeting them. Kasi syempre, hindi ko pa sila nami-meet and for sure it will have a very big effect on my choices once mag-arrive na ako sa Poland at makita ko din sila. So, late tayong darating. We will not be able to see the preliminaries kasi dapat yung schedule ng preliminaries for Mr. bukas pa dapat yon. So, yun ang ina-anticipate kong maaabutan ko. So, wala na akong aabutan kundi yung final show and then the rehearsals. But, of course, chika na natin yung ating top 10 list for today's Emirate. So, on my top 10, we have France. I feel like the performance of France in Top Model with the Michael Cinco ensemble. Sobrang ganda ng white outfit na yun. Well, it's Michael Cinco though. And I think that was the reason kung bakit nakapasok sa top 10 si France. And it was also a very strong performance kasi ang tangkad din niya tingnan dun sa outfit. Number 9 is South Africa. Big revelation si South Africa. Not only na malakas yung niya communication skills niya. Yung chubobe niya nung top model, parang pasok talaga yun, parang kakaiba and na-execute niya naman ng maayos. Number 8 for me is Thailand. Jack Titus is an influencer and I feel like with the strong link to Thailand, malakas din ang laban ni Thailand. Kaya feeling ko siya ang magiging influencer challenge kasi siya din naman ang pinaka most followed candidate. So go for Thailand. Number 7 is Chile. Medyo bumaba si Chile sa ranking ko. It's because yung mga selection process, hindi siya nakuha sa talent, hindi siya nakuha sa top 10 sa top model. So parang sabi ko parang ibaba muna siya. Parang hindi siya masyadong nabebetan. Pero siguro malakas pa rin ang laban ni Alvaro. Hopefully ma-redeem niya yung sarili niya this preliminary. Number 6 for me is Venezuela. Grabe si Venezuela. Siya talaga ang pinaka malakas for me. It's because nakakaloka din yung mensyong kumakain sa likod. Nakuha talaga siya sa may eksena. So, si Venezuela is very good looking din pala. Ang ganda ng niya, swimwear shoot. At ang lakas din ng personality niya in terms of the activities. Kaya mataas ang ko kay Venezuela. Next, we have Mr. Zambia. Sobrang tangkad ni Zambia, as in big guy talaga siya, and I feel like according to the rumors gustong-gusto nga siya ng staff and everyone. So nung hairdo niya sa top model na naka-brush up, it gives him that look na gusto ko compared dun sa kulot-kulot na hindi masyadong refined yung ng styling ng hair niya. And number 4 is Philippines. Philippines is a big revelation too. Sabi ko parang nakukuha siya sa lahat ng mga challenges ng influencer, ng top model. Syempre maganda nga naman talaga din yung damit with Raus, my friend Rao, who's the designer. So, malakas ang laban ni Philippines, I feel like. Number 3 is Spain with Pedro. I think this is the redemption of Pedro from what happened in Mr. Global. And pumayat si Pedro. It's still the same good looking face. And the outfits are giving. So hopefully talagang makapasok siya sa top 5 and a strong performance for the preliminary. Next, we have Puerto Rico. He is my bias. He's very good in communication skills and he's very motivated to win. I feel like gustong-gusto niya talagang umariba like in the top model, and I gusto ko na manalo din siya. And number 1, syempre, I'm still not changing my number 1, so it still goes to Mexico. I feel na si Mexico is the prototype ng last year. Parang kamukha niya si Swan. May parang ganun akong feeling na nararamdaman sa kanya. And strong body and really good looking face. So para sa akin, he still stays at number 1 in my choice. Let's see kung magbabago pagdating natin, kung anong malalaman nating mga chika when we arrive there. And that's it for now. See you in Poland.